Hello student, welcome back in a class Easy Learning of Primavera P6. So in last session we have seen how to create a resource master and assign resource to the activity. In this session we will be covering budget log and spending plan. So when you plan any project, you do planning for the project, always there will be budget plan for the entire project. So once that plan is in place, you can assign them to the project in a system. So if you go to WBS, we'll go to WBS and we'll see. So one time you can see it. So in a WBS, if you click on a first WBS, that is the project, okay, is the overall budget. Just go to the down below and click on a budget log, and here is the original budget. You can put an entire project budget in this. So we put a 1 lakh is the, so here is a $10,000 is your original budget and is a current budget, and this that will be proposed budget. So you have to understand that complete project having a budget of $10,000. So now you want to bifurcate it into, we have a 2 WBS, so you can bifurcate that budget into WBS. So here it may be 6,000. Okay. So for this WBS, your budget will be 6,000. Then again, if you go to next WBS, you can add up is a 5,000, for example. So if you again go back to the project, and if you see budget summary, you will find this in a red 1,000, because you have done a allocation of 11,000, whereas your current budget is a 10,000. So you can make it, go to budget log and you can correct it. Right now, if you go in a project, and you will find you'll find that red color has gone. Okay, so what you did is, whatever the project budget is there, that project budget you have allocated to the your WBS budget. So in a project budget, you can make a spending plan also. For example, your project will run from September to October. So you can make a plan of spending plan 5,000 and 5,000. So this way you can make a spending plan, and you can check the budget summary. If the spending plan is exceed than your current budget, then automatically current variance will be shown and it will be in a red color. Same way you can do for WBS also. You go to spending plan, and for example your budget is 6,000, so you can make it 3,000, and here 3,000. Okay. So if you can go to budget summary, you can see that there is no variance here. So what we'll do is, we'll go to planning and we'll make a spending plan. Here is a September 5,000, right? And if you go to budget summary, you will find a 1,000 is the current variance, because your budget is 4,000 and you have made a spending plan of 5,000. So student, this way you can do the budgeting in a Primavera P6, so that your entire budget can be mapped in a system. So this is all for this class. So stay tuned and get benefited for the next class. Thank you.